Good, beautiful morning. It's the second half of Fashion Week. I'm currently listening to The Read. I love listening to podcasts. If I'm sitting on my laptop for a minute, like working on something, or if I just need background noise while doing whatever, I like to either put on a podcast or watch YouTube videos. That's why I'm always on YouTube watching something, or I'm listening to podcasts, okay? This is the second half of New York Fashion Week. Looking a mess right now, but I'm going to, okay, so I'm hoping that by now I've already put up the Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation review. Girl, that was such a fail. Like, I struggled with it. As you already know, if you've already watched the video, I picked up the wrong shade. So I'm not going to try Mocha, which is a lighter shade. Remember, I picked up Walnut and Warm Walnut. And now this is Mocha. This is a lighter shade. So I'm hoping this fits my skin tone. I'm gonna wear it all day long. It's Fashion Week. Still, I have a show to go to later on today and some other things to do. So, I love vlogging. I wanna do more vlogs. You know what it is? I vlog. Sometimes I just don't put them up. Okay, so let's get started with the primer. This is currently my favorite primer, by the way. I've been wearing it every time I wear makeup so far, just because it's so matte and I don't have to worry about getting oily so soon. Everything else gets me oily soon, but not this primer. So what can I say? It's really good. Do my brows, honey, cause you know, turn off the Read real quick. I should groom my brows a little bit. It's a little Thing on the primer, what I learned, because remember when I tried the primer, this is literally me giving all of this another try and fixing my woes, and I'm showing you how I learned how to use this primer better and how I fell in love. So I learned that it dries fast, so I have to like rub and spread fast. I didn't know that initially. One thing I don't like is that it turns white. I don't like that it turns white. I don't like that at all. Like, why do you have to turn white? Like, you see all it is? But once I put on foundation, you can't really see it, you know? But still, like, that, my friend, quite a lot. But you all know I love a matte situation. I'm a matte girl. So I'm like currently in love with this primer. Oh, you know what I was thinking about doing? I was thinking about doing a favorites video. Do you think I should do a favorites video? How are we gonna do a favorites video? Why not? Let's give this foundation another try. Daylight looks really good. I'm literally using natural daylight. Really hoping Mocha is my shade. You know, Mocha is the first like dark shade to run out. I went to several Ultas to find Mocha, because my initial one, my usual one, they didn't have it there, which was weird to me. Does that look like my shade? Oh Lord. What if this is too light for me? Oh man. I don't know why it looks light to me. And you guys know I'm scared of using light foundation. Petrified. Fashion Week is not the time to try out a new foundation, yo. Like, it is just not. It's just not. Oh. It blends, I think. Okay, it's not that terrible. Is this my color? Oh wow, guys, I think this is my color. Let me put a little bit more. Oh, I'm so excited because literally, like I mentioned before, oh wow. Like I mentioned before in the review, I liked how it stays. I like the combination of the primer and the foundation together. I like how they stay I like how it feels together. It's very hard and harsh, but like it literally is the mattest combination I've ever had. Wow. I was like disappointed that I couldn't get my shade. But now, darlings, God has blessed us with a proper shade, honey. Gosh, let me know what you think. Is like, you know, I hate looking like, I hate looking lighter than I'm trying to like see. I hate looking lighter than my skin tone. If there's one thing I cannot stand, it's when I end up lighter. I'd rather go darker because you can always fix that. But going lighter is like, oh gosh. Like, how do you fix lighter? How? I don't even know how. But this is the e.l.f. blending brush. It's like $6. So for those of you who don't want to spend a coin on Fenty, get that elf. Maybe, I don't know, this may be lighter than my skin tone. I'm not that confident about it. Ooh, if you take a flash picture, that's how you know, right? Let me see. Too bad, because you know I don't want to be out taking pictures and stuff and then like I look crazy in pictures. That's the worst, girl. That's the worst. But this doesn't look too shabby. But my face does look a little lighter than usual, but I think this is, I'll keep it. I don't even have the time to take my face off anyway. I'll keep it. Whatever. I got paranoid, so I added some Too Faced Born This Way foundation right over here and right over here. Because I was like, my face looks white. I'm scared. On a vlog and drive here, people. So it is raining, but she is bringing sunshine to the rain. I don't believe in dressing gloomy. I'm bright all day, every day, know what I mean? Okay, so the foundation isn't that bad. I've had it on for about 8 hours now. So the color really settled in. So it's possibly my color, maybe a little lighter. I don't know, comment down below, let me know. I don't know, I really don't know. A sister needs assistance, okay? So I'm heading to another show at Spring Studios. So excited. And I should be there shortly. I'm a little late. What else is new? But I should be there shortly. The raindrop shadows are on my face. Kind of cool.
This is Savannah. Me on Escape Spirit on Instagram. And my website is viciousvariety.com.
Yes. I was like, what do you do? Something in fashion? She was like, I do everything. She was like, I just do it for the views. What? Who else is ever that honest? She was like, for the views. This foundation on for 10 hours now. I'm just showing you as I'm driving because I know later on I'm not gonna feel like picking up the camera. This is what I'm looking like. I'm skeptical. It's kind of my shade, right? Come out with it. Stupid bikes, man. Stupid. Like, what are you doing, dummy? Good in the dark, honey. It's dark, but I put the lights on. Like, this is it. This is me without the light on. Somebody got their high beams in my face. Dark. I'm trying to show you my wonderfulness. I don't know what's going on out here. Wait. Yo, I don't know what's going on out here, but roads are closed. Like, roads are blocked off. Traffic is OD. It literally took me an hour to get from Midtown to downtown. And usually that would take like maybe 15 minutes, 20. Crazy. I was literally texting my brother like, yo, I'm still on my way downtown. Can you believe it? Like, really? Gonna get a couple things done, and I have Kiana Boni La Petite Rose. One of my favorite shows to check out every season because, oh my gosh, she's just like fun, flowy, florals. Like, she gives me everything I need in life, fashion-wise. So, I always love her pieces. Now, I wonder if my camera can actually stay up there. I'm scared. I'm very scared. Okay, it can't stay up there. It literally fell once I started moving. Okay. And then I had something to do before the show, so now I'm just like, I don't think I really have enough time to do it. I don't know, I think maybe it's crazy out here, like traffic-wise, because it's 9/11, and that's the only correlation I can make. I can literally make no other correlation. I can't understand any other reason why it would be crowded, because it's just another Tuesday. I don't know. Let's get crowded around Fashion Week, yes, but I don't know. It's never taken me an hour to get from Midtown to downtown before. That was crazy. That wasn't normal. So I'm in the car on my way to Kiara Boni. Can't wait to check it out. I'm almost there. I should be there shortly, and I cannot wait. Literally, I just feel like I did 1,000 things within the last 30 minutes. And that makes me feel really good. It makes me feel like I'm managing my time properly. So that feels amazing. some Henny.
From the block like you Kenny. I know you special, girl, cause I know too many.
Risha, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave.
JT, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you.
Actually wasn't sure if I would have time to share this, but I'm heading to a fabric store because my outfit, I'm wearing a jumpsuit today, a striped jumpsuit, and I think it'll look amazing with like something over it, like an overlay. So I'm gonna sew something really quick. Yes, I randomly sew clothing. I'm a DIY queen. This is what my jumpsuit looks like. This is the fabric. So I'm hoping I can find something around this color scheme, but in like an Ankara fabric, and I can do like a little overlay something to go over this real quick. Get to a random fabric shop now. I'm praying and hoping they have it. I'm gonna go to 2. Oh, this is why, you see why I hold my camera if I try to like drive, because it literally falls if I put it up on anything, if I'm moving. But, oh my gosh, it's about to fall again. Okay, I'm hoping they have, I'm gonna only go to 2 fabric shops. After the second one, if they don't have it, I'm just going back home and getting ready and yada, yada, yada. That's the plan. So this is the jumpsuit that I'm wearing. You can see it's a green and pinky stripe situation. This is the fabric I bought. I bought this and I bought this. I'm really loving this fabric. I'm trying to see, I'm not sure which one goes with it best. I was really trying to get a fabric that's this exact same color, but I couldn't find it. Like without clashing, you know? Do this. I might do the purple. Might do this. This is the finished product. You can't really see it, but it has side slits. It's open in the front, of course. It has side slits, very wide open sleeve, which is what I wanted. So I'm pairing it with this bag. I'm so excited. I don't know what necklace I'm gonna wear, but she's gonna look good, honey, okay? And probably a satin heel to go with it, but I'm really excited. I'm really excited about this bag, honey. This bag is from Bloomingdale's. I'm not sure the brand, but I got it from Bloomingdale's. And I just love how holographic it is, so love it. Or is this iridescent? Iridescent or holographic? Can't remember which is which right now, but yeah. I'm going to a happy hour, and then I'm going to 2 events afterwards, a show, and wait, I think they're both shows. I have to look at my calendar, but train is loud. But that's what I got going on. I'm heading there now. It was crazy getting dressed. I was trying to like vlog my process while getting dressed, but I had no time to do that. Oh, I did a half up, half down hairstyle. I used to do this a lot when I was little. Back to that. Do you see all of this gloominess? Girl, it's so gloomy. Let me turn this radio off. It's so gloomy right now. Like, literally on and off rain. Oh, you can't even see me. Easy traffic right now. But guess what though? Still gotta get it. Because I let nothing stop me. Absolutely nothing stop me. This is insane. Literally my reality, working on stuff on my laptop. On my laptop. Always trying to find someone. I need a portable Wi-Fi. Looking for Wi-Fi tends to waste a lot of my time. Yeah, I need a portable Wi-Fi. So I'm doing this right before the event. I was gonna go to this happy hour, but I realized there's so much traffic I wouldn't even have time to make it there. So I just pulled over and I'm gonna do this really quick on my laptop and then go to the other event. I think we got it. Okay. So I took his class like 2 years ago. He was my professor and I love him so much. He just doesn't know it.
Don't make me look fat.
You never look fat. Constance, always looking fabulous as usual. Yes, eat that. Yes, yes, cupcake. Yes. Oh, always. Well, I try sometimes. It's beautiful. And that's Kevin, right?
Yeah.
The Chronicles of Opening Wine. I don't know how to do it. I don't open wine. They get open for me. Like, I'm speechless. I don't have any words to say. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. There's another woman I met. She's like, she has you on Instagram too. And she's like in the industry also.
Is it someone I know?
She's a model. Yeah, you know her. We spoke about you. Yes!
Oh, Coco. Yeah, she was supposed to be here tonight. Oh, yeah. Coco at the event with Walter.
When? Not this season, last season, right? Yeah. This made my day. I went through a lot to get on this side of town because of the traffic. Oh, no. Okay, that may have been a little bit confusing. So, Kevin Hall event. Oh my gosh, one of my favorite professors, one of my favorite fashion professors, he was there. Oh my gosh, and I love him so much. So, wow, I love him a lot. So I was so happy to see him. I'm always talking about him. I took him a few years ago and I still talk about him to this day. Like, he's amazing. And who else did I see? And then after that, I went to a show across the street at the public library, which was amazing. In that collection, everything, okay? But thank you so very much for watching this vlog. I appreciate you for watching. Thank you so much. Make sure you subscribe and also check out my other videos right over here, somewhere over here. Thank you. Bye. See you soon. I'll be posting like every day. Well, I'm trying to post every other day now, so I'll see you real soon. Bye.